Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a s'mores iced coffee. If you're a fan of campfires, marshmallows and of course coffee, you're definitely going to enjoy this. It's a perfect cool drink to enjoy on a warm summer's day. To make this, you're going to need, depending how strong you like it, 1 to 2 shots of espresso or half a cup of strong coffee. I've actually already made strong coffee. I'm using the Coffee Direct Monsoon Malabar blend. I'm also going to use 1/4 cup of marshmallow fluff, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, and then optionally you can use half a tablespoon of sugar if you like it a bit sweeter. If you want to go a bit fancy with your toppings, you can also use chocolate shavings, digestive biscuit crumbs, more chocolate syrup, whipped cream and marshmallows, or a combination of the above. So first things first, pour your espresso or your strong coffee over the marshmallow fluff. And then stir until the fluff has melted. There we go. Once it's almost melted, pop it into the blender. And add your milk. The chocolate syrup. And if you're using it, the white sugar. Then blend this all together until it's mixed well. Then, when it's all blended together, pour it into a cocktail shaker that is filled with ice. Mine already is. Give it a good shake, just to chill it nicely. Then strain into a glass over ice. This has already got a strainer built in, you can use a separate one if you want. Then you can leave it like this if you want, or you can add some toppings. So for this, I'm going to top it with some whipped cream first. This is definitely not for anyone who's on a diet. A little drizzle of chocolate syrup. Some digestive biscuit crumbs. Some chocolate shavings. And finally, some marshmallows. And if you want to be really fancy, you can toast the marshmallows as well. Thank you. There you go, a s'mores iced coffee. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please check out the rest of our videos for more recipe inspiration.